This is Krishnendu Maji and you are watching my channel. So in this video we are going to start our new chapter, which is the Mesopotamian civilization. Okay, so in this video just it is an introduction video. In this video we will learn the importance of this chapter and also the base of this chapter, क्योंकि हम जब हिस्ट्री पढ़ने जा रहे हैं मेसोपोटामियन सिविलाइजेशन का, इसका बेस जानने से पहले बेस हमें जानना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. ठीक है, तो इस वीडियो में हम क्या जानेंगे, इस चैप्टर का बेस जानेंगे. उसके बाद अगले वीडियो में वी विल स्टार्ट द चैप्टर. ओके, सो व्हाट इज़ द स्टोरी, व्हाट इज़ द बेस ऑफ दैट chapter, that is the thing today we are going to discuss. So Mesopotamian civilization, we know this is one of the most ancient civilization in the world, and this is the civilization which was developed on the bank of the river. There are two rivers, Tigris and Euphrates. That two rivers, on the bank of that two rivers, that civilization, it means the Mesopotamian civilization, was developed here. So we are going to discuss the base of that chapter. So जब हमें इस चैप्टर का बेस जानना है तो हमें जाना होगा नियोलिथिक एज पर. In our previous year, it means in class 5, you already know about that ages. Okay, so Neolithic age, at that time we know that the human beings started to domesticate animals. Okay, so they domesticate animals, and also they, before that they were hunter gatherer. Okay, but after that they become from hunter gatherer to food producer in that stage. Okay, and also they started to build houses. It means they started a permanent settlement. Okay, so in that case, whenever they will produce the food, and whenever they will started to living in a particular place, it means they are developing. Okay, they are generally developed. Okay, so and also they used tools, stone tools. At the first time they used the stone tools, but after that, after a few years, they started to use at the end of that Neolithic period, they started to use what? They started to use the copper tools. Okay, so from that stage we know that is become that the copper age. Okay, so after that gradually they know that whenever they will mix the copper with the tin, then they form a new metal, that is bronze. Okay, so in that stage, that is become the bronze age. Okay, so in that bronze age we can found all over the world simultaneously there four civilizations were developed. Okay, what are the four civilizations? Four civilizations are, first one which is Mesopotamian civilization. That is the topic we will discuss. Okay, but there are also remaining three civilizations are also there. These civilizations are Egyptian civilization, Indus Valley civilization, and also Chinese civilization. But the common thing of that four civilization is that all the civilizations were developed on the bank of different rivers. Okay, so that is the question, that why in the ancient period the civilizations were developed on the bank of the river. That is also very important questions from this chapter, from the Mesopotamian civilization, that why the civilization, you can say that why the Mesopotamian civilization was developed on the bank of the Tigris and Euphrates river. In that way, the questions may be appear, or the questions may be appear in that way that the ancient civilizations were developed on the bank of the river. Find the reason. Okay, so now we are going to discuss that why the civilizations, it means ancient civilizations, were developed on the bank of the river. Not only the Mesopotamian civilization, but also the remaining civilization in the ancient period, as like the Indus Valley civilization, as like the Egyptian civilization, okay, and also the Chinese civilization was developed on the bank of the rivers, different rivers. Okay, why these civilizations were developed on the bank of the river? Okay, so the reasons I just tell you that the earliest civilizations were emerged around the bank of the rivers, because first point is that the water supply was abundant. What? यानी कि हर वक्त पानी मिलता था. That is the first thing. And also support, which support the large settlement. Okay, जब नदी से साल में हर समय पानी मिलता रहेगा यार, उसके साथ साथ क्या है, उस टाइम पे जो लोग था वो हमारी तरह अब हम लोग आरओ का पानी पीते हैं, ठीक है, सबमर्सिबल या फिर आरओ इस सभी का पानी पीते हैं. लेकिन वो उस टाइम पे ना ही सबमर्सिबल था ना ही आरओ. तो आरओ का बात तो छोड़ ही दो, ठीक है. तो उस टाइम पे पानी नदी से ही जो पानी मिलता था वो पीता था. ओके, सो whenever they want to settle a place, at first they have to look that the water supply of that area is there, water supply is there or not. Okay, they know that if they build their settlement on the bank of any river, then all over the years there the water supplies will be there. So that is why they build their settlement on the bank of the river. That is the first point. Okay, second point is that whenever they will develop their civilization on the bank of the river, the reason why they develop their civilization on the bank of the river, second point is that the bank of the rivers are very fertile. Why? Whenever the floods were occurred, then the surrounding places of that river, it means the bank of that rivers were flooded, and then the alluvial soil will reached in that areas. Okay, जब नदी में बाढ़ आता है तब क्या होता है, तब पानी चारों ओर फैल जाता है, ठीक है. जब ये पानी चारों ओर चला जाता है, उस पानी के साथ एलुवियल जो सॉइल है वो बहुत ही फर्टाइल है, ठीक है, बहुत ही उपजाऊ है, तो वो उस जगह में फैल जाता है, जो क्या है क्रॉप कल्टीवेशन के लिए बहुत ही जरूरी साबित हुआ है, क्योंकि फर्टाइल सॉइल इज वेरी इफेक्टिव फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ द cultivation, for the growth of the crops. Okay, so that is why they developed their civilization on the bank of the rivers. That is the second point. Third point is that transportation. Okay, nowadays we can travel by the bikes, by the cars. There are a lot of transport systems are available. Okay, whenever there is no transport, if you have no bike, no car, then you can also book Ola, Uber. That type of transport systems are available nowadays, but in that time, in the earliest period, at that time the transport system was not so very difficult, so very developed. At that time they just know that how to use the wheel. Okay, so the ancient the archaeologists believe that in that period the wheel was discovered. Okay, but in that time maximum transportation system, it means to carry the people, to carry the goods from one places to another, they generally depending on the rivers. Okay, so these are the main points, which are the things. First point is that water supply was abundant, that is why they can build their settlement, large settlement on the bank of the river. That is the first point. Second point is that the bank of the rivers are very fertile, okay, which helps to grow the crops. Okay, and last point, the river is very helpful for transport the people and also the goods from one places to another. Okay, these are the three points by which ancient civilization, these are the main reasons by which the ancient civilizations were developed on the bank of the river. Okay, next, so these are the base of these are the base of this chapter. Okay, now what we will learn if we study this chapter? Okay, we will learn about the ancient periods, people, how they lived, how their society was, about their families, and also their religion, agriculture, occupation. Okay, all these things we will learn, and in our next video we will discuss all these things. If you visit in my channel first time, then subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. Okay, in the next time whenever I will upload any videos, then you can get the notification. So have a nice day. Jai Hind.